ato na tanan.
Okay, ako daw.
To our friends from the Northern Samar Press Corps. Hindi ko na isa-isahin kasi ang usapan media dialogue lang, press conference. Actually, yun nga ang sabi na once na hawakan ng media yung microphone, ano na yan? Automatic na yan. Anything goes na. But we thank the Northern Samar Press Corps. It is a pleasure for us to host you this afternoon, especially in the commemoration of your 9th founding anniversary. 9th founding anniversary. Yung iba dito, I would say, I have worked before nung kumanda na si Danny Malabi when I was with 63rd Infantry Battalion. And it's always been a pleasure to be friends with the media. Kasi alam naman natin na sabi nga nila, yung pinaka-powerful na tao at that very moment is siya yung may hawak ng microphone. Kasi pwede niyang tawagin kung sino dyan. Sa ngayon, ako yung may hawak. But anyway, so ang media naman ay ang trabaho niyo is to report what's happening, and you have been instrumental in the accuracy, informing our communities kung anong nangyayari, and we hope na you continue to report with accuracy, fairness, and integrity. Because yan naman ang trademark talaga ng isang tunay na halaga ng pamamahala. Ano yung Tagalog niya? Pamamahala. So your work goes beyond reporting news. You are the bridge between the institutions and the people. You likewise give voice to the communities para malaman ng local leadership, political leaders, kung ano ang nangyayari sa isang lugar. As well as you foster a meaningful dialogue and help shape public opinion. As well as understanding. Not only public opinion, but for the public also to understand kung ano yung issues at kung ano yung talagang ano ang dapat na regards to the issue. So, in times of crisis, kayo naman ang nagbibigay ng informasyon, you provide clarity, you keep the people informed, and in times of progress also, you provide stories of hope na pwedeng gayahin ng iba. So ito na ngayon ang gusto rin namin ipabot sa inyo na yung stories of hope ng Northern Samar. Marami tayong stories of hope na pwede natin ipaabot sa ibang lugar for them to change that perception of the negative perception of Northern Samar. At yun ang gusto nating pagtutulungan para yung perception ng Northern Samar ay gaganda at yung mga namumuhunan ay pupunta dito sa Northern Samar. Because there is really a strong bias against the image of Northern Samar. Or for that matter, Samar Island, na maraming takot pumunta dito dahil maraming NPA, magulo. Yun hindi nila alam na ang saya-saya ng mga tao dito, sumasayaw ng kuratsa, maraming nagagala, nagay ng pera, at masarap maging kaibigan dahil nag-imbita ng patron. So, as soldiers, our mission is to protect the people and preserve peace. You as journalists, your mission is to pursue the truth and keep the public informed. So while our roles differ, but our purpose is the same, to serve the people of Northern Samar with professionalism, integrity, and unwavering commitment to the common good. As partners in mission building, we share the collective responsibility to uphold the truth, promote accountability, and strengthen public trust. Kayo naman ang katuwang namin para patuloy namin na maitaguyod, maipakita sa publiko ang kanilang tiwala dahil kayo ang nagpapublish ng aming mga ginagawa. Through responsible journalism, you help counter misinformation, highlight the aspirations of the communities, and tell the stories that encourage unity, resilience, and development. Ito dapat ang ma-highlight natin. While we are also reporting yung mga nangyayari na nakakasama ng image, perhaps, but huwag natin kalimutan yung mga magagandang stories of hope dito sa Northern Samar. Today, Northern Samar continues to make meaningful strides towards lasting peace and sustainable development. With the armed forces partnering with our local government units and other government agencies, we are anticipating the gains of this one is for Northern Samar that is liberated from the influence of insurgency. So, kasama namin kayo dyan na ipapalam sa publiko na may pag-asa. Malaki ang pag-asa natin para sa Northern Samar. Malaki ang pag-asa natin na matugunan ang mga hinanahin ng mga tao sa mga malalayong lugar. At ito ay may patulong natin sa ating mga namumuno sa atin. So, you as our partners, we hope to strengthen our good relationship, and we hope na kung meron mang mga areas of misunderstanding, we can iron it out through dialogue and cooperation, as well as also establishing friendship with one another. So, opo kita. That is our advocacy. Unity for peace onwards to development. Kamurayo isulong tikantuhan pag-asenso ng Northern Samar. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang media ng Northern Samar. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Mabuhay na ako.
Thank you, sir.